Hi loves, hi darlings, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for returning again and clicking on today's beautiful video. In today's video, we are making simple, easy peasy vegetarian fried rice. Let's get into it. For the ingredients, I have cooked or boiled rice, wagashi, which is our main protein, dark soy sauce, green habanero pepper, ginger, garlic, mixed spices, onion, carrot, green bell pepper, spring onions or scallions. Fried rice is a quick meal, so I would urge you all to finely wash and prep all veggies before starting off with a meal, because it takes little time. Into a fine clean pan, I add just a little bit of oil. I preheat it for a few seconds and then I go ahead to add my chopped onions. Fried rice is all about stir frying and we are going to be doing just that. So I stir fry my onions for a few seconds to release its flavor and juices. I then go ahead to add our star protein wagashi. I add it and keep frying it. I stir fry it for a few seconds in order for the wagashi to have all the flavor from the onions. Just about a minute, I go ahead to add my chopped garlic and ginger. I add it and I keep frying it as well. I stir fry everything beautifully. After a few seconds, it's time to add my vegetarian mixed spices. So I go ahead to add all my mixed spices and then I keep stir frying it. Just look at how beautiful it is. I go ahead to add all my green veggies. That is my green bell pepper, green habanero pepper, and my spring onions or scallions. At this point, I keep stir frying it for just a few seconds more, and just look at how beautiful it is looking already. My kitchen smells so good at this point, and I know this meal is gonna be a hit. After about just a minute, I go ahead to add my chopped carrots. I wouldn't want my veggies to be mushy, so I stir fry it for a few seconds and then I'll be ready to add my cooked rice. Just look at the beautiful colors. I like to see colors in my meal. At this point, I go ahead to add my cooked or boiled white rice. Guys, in order to have a very good fried rice, I would urge you not to use hot rice. If you cook the rice, allow it to cool off before using it. Or if you have leftover rice, then it's perfect for fried rice. I added my rice and did well to give it a good stir for all the veggies to mix properly. At this point, I go ahead to add my dark soy sauce. The amount of soy sauce depends on your preference. If you'd want your fried rice to be darker, you add more. I added more to have a darker fried rice. And then I go ahead to stir fry it and look at how beautiful it's looking. We are done, guys. We are done. Fried rice, as I said, takes little time and then you have a perfect meal. I give it a good stir and then it's time for plating. I take my fried rice off fire and then just look at that. I plated it and it's ready to be consumed. Do this for your friends, for your family when they visit, or for your kids, and trust me, they're going to love it. Just look at how beautiful it is. I paired my fried rice with a big chunk of wagashi and a glass of champagne. I deserve it. I treated myself to this good meal and I totally love it. Guys, do well to try your hands on this and let me know how it tastes in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Do well to give it a big thumbs up and share this simple recipe with friends, family, and loved ones. Let them become a part of this beautiful channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Subscribe if you haven't. Click on the notification bell to get notified anytime a video is posted. And I'll see you in my next one. Stay beautiful, stay positive, eat well. Bye, guys.